Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face-to-Face to Online Transition. This video is for all the instructors who were unable to share their Bitmoji classrooms due to restrictions on their OneDrive or SharePoint. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hack and make sure our Bitmoji classrooms are available to our students. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So once I finish creating my Bitmoji, what I do is I go ahead and save it on my desktop. I go ahead and save it a copy here. Let me see, where is it? I'm gonna browse. I am not saving it on OneDrive. I'm just saving a copy on my desktop here. I went ahead and saved it. And once it's saved, I go ahead and create a personal OneDrive account. Keep in mind, OneDrive is absolutely free up to 5 gigabytes. If you need more, then you have to pay. So I'm going to go ahead and make use of the free one. And I went ahead and opened up a new account with my personal email address. And now I'm going to upload my PowerPoint. Let me see, where is it? I'm going to upload my Bitmoji presentation. There you go. And once I have it, I'm going to go ahead and open it. And then I will go ahead and click on the share option here. And I'm going to click on anyone with the link and edit. And I'm going to take off or check off the allow editing option because I don't want anyone to edit it. I'm going to simply click apply and I will copy the link. Once the link is copied, I will go back to my Teams. I will click on creating a new tab. I'm going to go ahead and click on website. I'm going to say Bitmoji Classroom, and I will go ahead and paste the link right here, and I'm going to uncheck it. I don't want to post it in the channel, and I'm going to click save. And it's going to take a minute, but it will populate. There you go. I have an option, students have an option to download it, save it to OneDrive, or even start a slideshow from right here. I would definitely like for you all to try it and let me know how it worked. Please leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like this video, please go ahead and click a like or subscribe. And if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and do so. Probably some educator might need this quick hack, and happy teaching.